Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I was filming, right, and for some reason I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. And I was like, most of the way I was describing what I made. Anyway, I'm doing prawns, and I've got chicken gizzard, and I'm putting those on skewers right now. I had added salt, oil, pepper and Cajun seasoning in this. Okay, so I'm just putting it together. Now where's my glove? Anyway, so I'll continue on skewing this up. Skewing, yeah. I boiled these as soft as I can go. Okay, and there they go. Right. Anyway, I'll just do a couple more of these, and then I'll put it down. And then I'll stop, and then I'll see. There they are. So that's chicken gizzard. Now, when you skewer these, you start off from the thick end, okay? So I let it sit here in the marination. So you skewer these from the thick side of the prawn, then you go through. Yeah, I can fit 3 on the stick, this skewer. There you go. This one's a bit, doesn't listen, but anyway, that's what it looks like. What I've got in here, guys, is oil, paprika, oregano, parsley, and finely chopped up onion, okay, and a little chicken stock, just for extra flavor. Yeah, I can get three each. So, yeah, that'll do me. 3, no, I'll do one more. I'll do one more, and then I'll show you guys the sausages, and I skewer the sausages. See, this is how I like doing it, because it's easier for the kids, If you guys do a barbecue, right, and you guys can just ping it in, all right, and then when the kids are ready to eat, they just come and grab them a skewer with the sausage on. Yeah, that'll do. So that's the sausages, and then I'm going to show you guys how to skewer the vegetables. I'll take off my glove for that. No need for the gloves. So you just press it through. Press the mushroom. Sometimes it can crack when you're piercing the mushroom. And that's it, guys. I already I have some here already made. And I'll just add that on. So this is all the stuff that I've already skewered. So I got this parsley, dill, and tarragon mayonnaise. It's a seafood sauce, guys. But I thought I'll get it so I can, add it in today. I got this like Turkish bread sort of thing. Melted the butter and put garlic, and then I just tipped it upside down and make it, suck up all the butter. Yeah. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are having a good life as much as you can do it. Guys, even if you're financially struggling and stuff like that, I know it's easier said than done, but I tell you what, guys, just always do your best. Do your best and ask God, to help you out, Hey, Don't you make that noise when I'm talking. Yeah, guys, you know, if you're doing it tough out there with this COVID, you know, financially finding it hard, just, you know, ask God to help you guys out. And not only that, guys, be really, really thrifty in how you make your meals and stuff. Don't waste any food. You got extra food that's left over from that night, you wrap it up real good, you put it in the fridge so you can, you know, like, make it like a part of the meal for the next day, so you can find something to eat the next day, you know. Then that'll save you money then to go and, you know, get another, you know. I know most of you guys are already doing it, but, you know, sometimes people, they like throw away food and not thinking, where's the next food going to come from? Anyway, I'm going to put the sausage on, guys, because they will take longer to cook. So I'll put them on, and I'll put a bit of oil on this. Yeah, I got this long, long brush here. Just space out, but yeah, I'll put down the bottom where I got this from. Well, actually my daughter got it. She got it and she said, "Mama, guess what I got you?" I thought, what, got me the winning lotto? Yippee! Anyway, so let that cook, and then I'm gonna put the bread, the garlic bread on the grill as well. So I'll put these prawns on as well. These are live. Right, I'll put some of this gizzard on. Gizzard. Okay. Make way. And then I'll add a veggie stick on there. Yeah. So guys, yeah, sorry I haven't been putting up any videos. It's been like a week, right? I know. Yeah, just been busy trying to arrange things at home, you know, and, you know, just looking after my family and my mother especially. Yeah, there's a bit of a change in my mother, because before she was a bit more talkative, you know, but now it's less talk. She'll only talk when you talk to her, but before she'll say something here and there, but now it's like, you know, she's changing, guys. Yeah. Oh, the prawns look delicious. Hey, scare you. I only got one veggie stick. Trying to be healthy here, guys. Trying to be healthy. Yeah. So it's zucchini, mushroom, and cherry tomatoes. Yeah. Yeah, so everything has got its own marination, and after, yeah, I got me a new camera, guys. I got me a new camera. I still got to figure out how to use it. Okay? Maybe I should have studied it first, you know, figure out how to work it before I even buy it. Excuse me. Yeah, that's right. I had to turn it up. I thought, I can't hear it anymore. When there's fire, there is lights. And my video must be dark, right? I look dark in the video, guys. Hopefully when I go to edit, it's not dark. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, guys. I got me a drink. Now, this drink is Pink Lady and Raspberry. I just got to say a prayer before I get this done. I'm getting a bit thirsty doing all this food. So, cheers guys, cheers. Woo! Bit sharp, but I thought I'd try it today. We try it together guys. Oh, quite nice though. Oh. Nah, it's nice. It's nice, but it's just got a sharp taste to it. Anyway, I'm gonna check on these prawns, because you don't want to overcook the prawns, guys. No. Then it's like you're eating elastic. Because these are raw prawns, these are not pre-cooked. Turn these sausages around. Ooh. What about you? Vegetable sticks. And my gizzard. Chicken gizzard. Yeah, I really boiled them. Boiled them till they were cooked. And then I just put them on here. You guys, gotta get this and face it. Oh, and I'll get the oil for the gizzard. Oh, sausage got nothing. Oh well, sorry sausage. You got enough oil. Yeah, these prawns like 2 minutes each. It's up to you. If you want it rubbery, 5 minutes. But yeah. Ugh. Look. Ouch! 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 That wasn't meant to happen, guys. Okay. Anyway, I'll take these off. I'll put it over here. Yeah. And I'll take these off. Put it over here. Yeah. Put that over there. And then I'll get one of these garlic breads. Bam! Put the veggie stick there because I know it's not cooked properly. And I ain't gonna eat any raw zucchini. It's a bit itchy, isn't it? You know, if it's too raw. I don't know. Not a professional. Anyway, cooking these sausage through. Oh, these veggies are looking good. Looking good. Oh yeah. Well, I got that there. I can add another skewer. Another prawn. Another gizzard. Oh, just put I want to press this down to make a char grill on it. You know what? I'm going to try out this spread that over, no problem. This is super awesome. Look at that. And these prawns are delicious. These are beautiful. Oh, I'm a chef today. I'm a chef today. Oh, these prawns are nice, guys. Anyway, I'm going to put down the bottom what I would put into these prawns, and you guys try it out. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Yeah, that's cooked, that's cooked. Yeah, got a couple more to put on the grill. Guys, comment down below, when is the best time for you to eat your barbecue? Is it during the barbecue or after the barbecue? I know what I like, you know. I hate those ones like, you know, you're waiting and waiting and waiting some more. Oh, the bomb. The bomb. Oh, yep, time to turn this over. This garlic bread. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta baste this again. The prawns. I'm telling you, I'm not joking, guys. This is so manaya. This is so good, guys. This is so good. Do you make your own garlic bread? No. No, I am, man. So, I'll make some more while I'm waiting. Wait. This is delicious. My daughter is going to be so impressed with her mum that she's going to try and make some. Oh, you know what? This garlic bread, you move out of the way, buddy. Look at that. Oh, just the best, huh? Just the best. Anyway, I'll make some more. Anyway, so who's thought of making a channel, guys? Right? Should make you guys a channel. Make yourself a channel. Yeah, you've got channels, yeah, that's good, that's good. What's even better, if you start filming and then you upload. You know, it will take work, but eventually it will pay off. You know, if you want side money, it'll, you know, make you money. But if you enjoy it like I do, I love it. I love uploading, you know, creating content and putting it up there for you guys, you know, because you are my YouTube family, and I am so happy when I see your fellows comment, you know. I get so excited, and I think to myself, I'm so excited, and I just can't help it, and oh my gosh. I don't want the neighbours to ring the police and say, excuse me, I can hear a cat and it's like it's in trouble. And then the police come and they go, oh, we heard there's a cat being hurt here. And I go, excuse you, that was my singing? Yeah, Ruth. Come here when I'm trying to sing my Mariah Carey. Oh, who's the single one? Entanglement with August. Oh my God. When I was watching that entanglement with August, I was thinking, China, what are you doing? Then when they sound like something that, well, got up to no good. Well, don't be naughty now. You got a beautiful wife. Don't look on the other side of the fence. For some men think the grass is greener on the other side. But guess what, guys? Same grass. Same grass. Okay? You just got to look after your grass. Maintain your grass. Make sure your grass looks as good as the next door neighbor's grass. Okay? Then you don't want to look at their grass. Where you are. Look after your missus. And then she doesn't have to look away. And men, stop it. Right now. Okay? Or else I am sending out one of these prawns. This one in particular. To remind you, this is what you'll be if you don't look after your lawn. This is so good, so good, so good. Ooh. Anyway guys, my hands are so filthy dirty. So filthy dirty. And guys, I'm going to have another prawn. I cannot help it. And what you do, you get a bit of this mayonnaise and you run it along. Ooh. And then, I'm going to tell you guys, this is beautiful. This single one's trying to take up all the room. You know? Oh, this one looks like it wants to leave and go and join the Big Brother house in here. Oh, the veggie stick. Yep, that looks like it wants to go and join the Big Brother house. And let the new members come and join the Big Brother house. Oh, these prawns, you know what? I love prawns. It's killer power prawns, and their muscles full. Oh, and inside the marination here, I squeezed lime in it. Behave yourself. I know it's no good. It's like, you're no good, you're no good, you're no good, my baby, you're no good. You don't want your wife to say that to you. Okay? So you look after your grass, buddies. Look after your grass. And ladies, maintain the whippersnipper and help look after the grass. Okay? A long time ago, I said to my husband, when we were just very young, good, I said, listen, if you ever cheat on me, nah, no. I said, if you ever cheat on me, don't embarrass me. You let me know and I will move on. I would you first, then I'll move on. No, I did not say to do that violent. No. Naughty. Don't do that. Anyway, yeah. This was ages ago though. But did you ever try and look over the fence and see the grass next door? Will be the last thing you're looking at. C'est cool, yeah? Okay, guys, it's time to eat. I'm gonna, forgot a lime. Thought I'd just squeeze a bit of lime on everything. I'm telling you guys, these prawns are delicious. Delicious. I'll pay for this. I'll pay for good food. Anyway guys, you all continue to stay blessed. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's been a pleasure having you guys along. Now, you take care. And have you subscribed? Have you liked? But leave a comment. Wait a while. Leave a comment so we can have a chat. For now, take care. Pass it